balancing. Balancing postures makes your body lighter and focused. And right leg here, left leg here, and push. And Krishna's posture. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Abhyantara, taking from inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling and gently exhaling. Freeing your shoulder. And free your legs. Free your legs. And stand on your left leg. Cross your right leg. Position like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Inhale. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Exhale. Free your entire shoulder blade and gently free your legs. Free your legs. Up and down. Free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is posterior stretch of the left leg. Like this. Freeing the leg like this. Holding it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling and gently bring it down. Freeing your legs. Free your shoulders. Your arms free. And again free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is right leg. Your right legs, holding the right leg freely like this. See, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your leg down. Free. You free your entire right leg, all the muscles in the right leg. And similarly, left leg. Free all the muscles in the left leg. And gently freeing your shoulders and front and back. And then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale. Anyone having back problems, so far whatever we have done today, you go on repeating more than enough. Any chronic back problem you will solve. Only these postures enough, more than enough. This one posture enough to solve most of the lumbar problems. This one posture, if you learn to do properly, it is a solution for all the problems, all the spinal problems. This, just one posture. Next is posterior we have done, anterior, taking the leg from the front. Taking the leg from the front, so taking the left leg here, holding it, so it is like taking like the Shiva, taking like this, holding like this, inhaling and holding up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling and exhaling. And free your legs, free your legs. No hurry at all. We need to prepare our ligaments well. We need to free our tendons well. So alkalinity is restored so that the cartilage gets strengthened, the bone gets strengthened. And if it becomes anaerobic and cartilage goes away very quickly, understand? No hurry at all. It is Achyatmika Krama. and restoring zero resistance, and restoring, healing, oxygen conservation, strengthening electron transport system, using oxygen to produce more ATP, building the cell, inhaling, promoting efficient catabolism, and free your shoulders and drop your shoulders. And next one is the other way around, standing on your left leg and taking the right leg from here, holding it. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale and gently exhale, bring your arm down, bring your leg down and free your adductors, your groin, your hernia is here. Very important. So when you do this, you are freeing entire lower abdominal area. Very, very important, critical area where the sartorius muscle, the longest muscle in your thigh located, to free it. Very, very important. Any tightness over there and it causes a lot of problem. Sartorius should be free. It goes from the front and goes behind. Inhale, exhale. And free your legs, and free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And freeing it. Now lifting the legs. We have done both the sides. Now standing, sitting it's called. So, and standing on the right leg and lifting your left leg and holding it in the air like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. Bringing your leg down. Bringing it down. Free your legs. Balancing or warrior poses always. You are standing on one leg or posing the load on the knee, center of mass shifting on the knee, you must free them. And free your shoulders and free your front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going around and freeing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. Now the other side, standing on the left leg and keeping the right leg lifted here and holding it like this and lifting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, exhaling, bring it down and hold it. So free, gently bring it down. Now the next one is the final balance, the right leg in the front. You call warrior pose 3, Virabhadra. First asana, inhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring it back slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See this, how easily. Inhale and take your arms up. Inhale and your right leg here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7, and bringing your leg down. Free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Exhale. Now, next one. Free your shoulders and front and back gently. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Free your shoulders. If it's a high intensity, 3 minutes, you need the rest. If it's a low intensity, 1 minute, 2 minutes enough. High intensity, very high intensity, 5 minutes you need. 5 minutes, high interval, 5 minutes interval, 3 minutes interval. Low intensity, 1 minute, 2 minutes interval. Medium intensity, 3 minutes to 5 minutes. 3 minutes enough. High intensity, 3 to 6 minutes you need. Now, next one. And keeping here. And like this, you can continue to do it. So, not for count 21, you can go. Inhale, exhale, free your arms and free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Inhale. What we are doing? Medium intensity. Next. Sun. Oh God's coming. Oh God's God.